Today we're looking at an 04 GMC Yukon Denali. The customer's initial complaint was that when they were driving down the road they were getting some grinding noises. They weren't exactly sure where it was coming from, being that these GMC Denalis in this particular era were all-wheel drive, meaning all four wheels were driving all the time. It did pose a little bit of a challenge to determine where the noise was coming from. After a little bit of diagnosing and driving the vehicle, we determined that the noise was in fact coming from the bearings inside of the front differential. We advised the customer that that's where we felt the noise was coming from, told them what it was going to take to get the vehicle repaired. They said to go ahead and do that. They wanted to make sure everything was good to go. So we removed the front differential from the vehicle because in this particular instance you need to split that differential in half. You pull out the carrier. We inspected the bearings, as you can see from these pictures, that they are in fact damaged just based from wear. We replaced those bearings, cleaned up all the material that was in the cavity to make sure there were no loose filings or anything that could potentially cause some more long-term damage on the new bearings. Refilled it with the fluid, put it back in, took it for a drive. The vehicle was back quiet as it was when they first got it. Informed the customer that the vehicle was ready, they could come pick it up. So if you're hearing some unusual noises from your car, you're not quite sure where they're coming from, please feel free to give us a call. We'd be happy to inspect it for you. If you found the video helpful, please like it and feel free to share it with your friends. They might find that information helpful as well.